What's up, guys? 2018 Gold Rush Series 2, Random Teams number 1. Going live, 735. We already got our names and the teams in. Dice has to be 4 or more. Throw you in a spreadsheet wherever you line up. That is who you get. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bengals on top. Rams on the bottom. KNNHZK is the code for the teams. Oh man, why did I do that shit? Okay, I guess we're going bold. And the names. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Eric Thames on top, Patrick Newton on the bottom. XECABC is the code. I don't know why it's bold right here. Okay, anyway, that is who you got, guys. And we are done. 736. Thanks, guys. Good luck.